Hi everyone, I will be reading the article to help you follow along. This article is called Influences on Your Health, Physical, Social, and Cultural Environment and Behavior. Heredity. To some degree, your general level of health was determined before you were born. You are a product of heredity. Heredity is all the traits and properties that are passed from both parents to child. The most obvious traits are physical ones, such as the color of your hair and eyes, the shape of your nose and ears, and your body type and size. You also inherit basic intellectual abilities. Tendencies towards specific diseases can also be inherited. Environment. Your health is also influenced by your environment. Environment is the sum total of your surroundings, your family, where you grew up, where you live now, and all your experiences. Environment includes all the places you go in a given day and the physical conditions in which you live. It also includes the people in your life, your social environment. Yet another aspect of your environment is your culture. Physical environment. Your physical environment can affect all areas of your health. How would you describe your environment? Are there parks, jogging paths, and recreational facilities? Is the environment clean and are the streets safe? A person living in this environment may be more likely to enjoy good physical and mental health. In contrast, a person living in an area with a high crime rate, for example, may experience stress and feel threatened for his or her personal safety. Other aspects of your physical environment that can influence your health include air quality. Pollutants such as smog and smoke from other people's cigarettes can increase your chances of developing lung disorders, whereas growing up in a community with clean air lessens your risks of such diseases. Indoor aspects of your environment, such as a frayed electrical cord plugged into a wall socket, can also affect your personal safety. Access to medical care is another aspect of one's physical environment that influences health. Because of the rising costs of medical care and health insurance in recent years, many people are unable to afford health services. Childhood immunizations are often overlooked, and this can lead to a reemergence of diseases that were once thought to be wiped out. Social environment. Your social environment includes your family and other people with whom you come into daily contact. A person who is surrounded by individuals who show respect, love, strength, and encouragement may have a positive self-image and, as a result, reach out and support others. A healthful, supportive social environment can even help a person to rise above adverse physical conditions such as poverty. On the other hand, a person from an unhealthful social environment may suffer poor mental health and emotional health as a result of rejection, neglect, verbal abuse, or other negative behaviors. An important part of your social environment, especially during the teen years, is your peers. Peers are people the same age who share a similar range of interests. Your peers include your friends and classmates. Peers who are loyal and supportive friends can help you grow mentally and socially. At the same time, peers who take part in dangerous, unhealthy, or illegal behaviors like using tobacco, alcohol, or other drugs can put pressure on you to be part of the group. Standing up to this peer pressure can be challenging. One way is by choosing friends who care about their health and yours. Cultural environment. Culture is the collective beliefs, customs, and behaviors of a group. This group may be an ethnic group, a community, a nation, or an entire section of the globe. The language your family speaks at home, the foods you prefer to eat, and the traditions and religion you place are all part of your cultural environment. Understanding culture can help you understand yourself and get along with others. Culture can help you see what all people have in common. It can help you recognize the variety of ways in which people solve the same basic problems. Finally, your culture gives you a sense of identity as you take place in a multicultural world. Behavior. Although you have little or no control over your heredity and environment, you have a great deal of control over one factor affecting your life: your behavior. The way you choose to act within your environment and with your inherited ability has a very important impact on who you are. Suppose your family has a history of cardiovascular disease. Does this mean you must follow in their footsteps? Not at all. You can reduce your chances of developing this condition through positive choices and habits. You can reduce your intakes of fried foods and other foods high in fat. You can also develop the positive habit of regularly participating in physical activity and exercise. Similarly, if you are aware of environmental health influences, you have the ability to take positive action to protect your health. If there is a non-working smoke detector in your home, you can replace the battery. You can wear sunscreen to protect your skin when you're in the sun. If you know about the dangers associated with cigarette smoke, you can try to avoid being near smokers. By being aware, by becoming more health literate, you can take positive action to protect your health and the health of others. You can also take advantage of positive hereditary environmental influences.